Students, today we are going to start our new session, that is exercise 1.6. But before doing this exercise, kindly see laws of exponent from basic concept playlist. ओके पहले सबसे पहले लॉज ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स को अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लेंगे, उसके बाद ही इस एक्सरसाइज को करेंगे. अदरवाइज यू विल फेस प्रॉब्लम इन डूइंग दिस एक्सरसाइज. It is a concept that you have studied from class 7, 8, in class 8, in class 7, 8 and 9th. Okay, so 9th में हम तो ये पढ़ेंगे ही, 10th में भी ये काम आएगा. So what is exercise 1.6? In exercise 1.6, see, 64 is raised to the power half. Question number 1, 64 is raised to the power half. Find the factors of 64. Find the prime factors of 64. If you find the factors of 64, it will be 2 to the power 6. Okay, so you can easily find out, you are in class 9th, you can easily find out the prime factors of 64. So it will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8. How this happens? Because you know x to the power m whole to the power n gives you x to the power m into n. Okay, now come to question number 2. 32 is raised to the power 5. 32 is written as 2 to the power 5, so it will be cancel out, so it will be only 2. 125 को क्या लिखा जा सकता है? 125 can be written as 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5, so 5 3 into 1 by 3, so that will be equal to 5 to the power 1, that is 5. Okay, so this is very easy. Now we will go to question number 2. So this is exercise 1.6, question number 2. Question number 2 का 1, 9 is raised to the power 3 by 2. So 9 can be written as 3 square. So 3, 2 into 3 by 2, 2 to cancel. 3 is raised to the power 3, that will be equal to 27. So they are very easy questions. So 32 अभी हमने किया था 2 to the power 5, 5 into 2 by 5, 2 square is 4. Clear? Now 16, 4 4 जो 16 होता है, so it can be written as 2 to the power 4, 3 by 4, 3 4 4 cancels, 2 cube is equal to 8. So see first here what you have, negative power. नेगेटिव पावर को पहले पॉजिटिव पावर में चेंज करना होता है. अगर पावर को पॉजिटिव पावर में चेंज नहीं भी करेंगे तब भी लास्ट में हमें पॉजिटिव में चेंज करना ही पड़ेगा. जैसे अगर मैंने अभी पॉजिटिव में नहीं चेंज किया, आई एम सॉल्विंग इट. सो 125 कैन बी रिटन एज 5 क्यूब minus 1 by 3. So what you can write, 3 into minus 1 by 3. So बच्चे यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, -1 भूल जाते हैं और 5 to the power 1 लिख देते हैं, but it is 5 to the power -1. Now what you will write, 1 upon 5 to the power 1, so 1 upon 5, because x to the power minus m is 1 upon x to the power m. Okay, now come to the question number 3. So this is our question number 3, exercise 1.6. Okay, so what is given, 2 is raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 is raised to the power 1 by 5. So base is same, the powers get added up. यहाँ पे bases same है, bases same दिखाई दे रहे हैं, the powers get added up. Okay, so 2 is raised to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So powers are given in fraction, powers fraction में दिए हुए, तो हमें क्या लेना पड़ेगा, we have to take the LCM. 5 3 is 15, 3 5 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 3. So what you get, 2 is raised to the power 13 by 15, 2 की power 13 by 15. Okay, now second, so 1 by, this can be written as 1 by 3 whole to the power 3. How मैं ये क्यों लिख सकता हूँ, because न्यूमरेटर हमारा 1 है, अगर न्यूमरेटर 1 नहीं होता तो नहीं लिख पाता है. Okay, is whole raised to the power 7. So what you get, 1 by 3, 3 into 7, 1 by 3 raised to the power 21, or you can write 1 by 3 to the power 21. 1 की power 21 will give you 1. Okay, इसको ये भी लिख सकते हैं, इसको ये भी लिख सकते हैं. Clear? Now the bases are same, the powers get subtracted. Powers क्या हो जाएंगे, subtract हो जाएंगे. So what will be the LCM? The LCM is 4. Clear? 2 to the 2, 1. So what you get? 11 is raised to the power 1 by 4. See, here bases are different but the powers are same. पावर सेम है हमारे पास और बेसिस डिफरेंट है, तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं 7 into 8 दोनों की पावर सेम कर सकते हैं. 7 8 is 56 is raised to the power 1 by 2, और you can write root 56. ये भी लिख सकते हैं, ये भी लिख सकते हैं. You can write 56 is raised to the power 1 by 2, दोनों लिख सकते हैं. Clear? So this is your exercise 1.6. Now we will do some questions related to R.D. Sharma, which are very important from the examination point of view. Okay. So this is our question related to rationalization. See, if both a and b are rational numbers, find the values of a and b in each of the following equalities. इनमें हमें a और b की वैल्यू निकालनी है. This equal to this, this equal to this, this equal to this. So we will solve all these three questions. So these are very important questions. Okay. So एक एक करके हम solve करेंगे. I am taking the first question. Root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. Okay. First you take your LHS and rationalize it. Solve it. उसको हम क्या करेंगे, पहले हम अपना LHS ले लेंगे और इसको rationalize करके solve करेंगे. Clear? So what is my LHS? Root 3 minus root plus 1. Okay. Now इसको rationalize करेंगे. So what will be the conjugate? Conjugate क्या होगा इसका? Root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1. Now solve this. So it will become root 3 minus 1 whole square. A square minus b square. So root 3 square minus 1 square. Okay. So a plus b whole square. So what is a plus b whole square? A square 3 minus 2 into root 3 into 1, 2ab 2 root 3 plus 1 का whole square. Okay. Clear? Divided by 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. Clear? So now next 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. अब ऊपर से क्या कॉमन आ रहा है? ऊपर से I can take 2 कॉमन. So take 2 कॉमन. 2 minus root 3 by 2. Cancel it. What do you get? 2 minus root 3. So this is your LHS. 2 minus root 3. So what is 2 minus root 3? It is equal to your RHS, that is a plus b root 3. Okay. So now compare the coefficient. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will compare the coefficient. This 2 minus root 3 can be written as 2 plus minus root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. Now when we are comparing the coefficients, so a is equal to 2. The value of a is equal to 2 plus root 3. B will be equal to minus 1. B is equal to minus 1. When we compare the coefficients, जब हम coefficients को compare करेंगे, we will get B is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now solve second question. We are going to solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 3 plus root 7, 3 minus root 7. A plus B root 7. Okay. Now again solve your LHS and rationalize it. हम इसको rationalize करेंगे बढ़िया से. So rationalize करेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 3 plus root 7, 3 plus root 7. Conjugate से multiply कर दिया. So what you will get? 3 plus root 7 whole square divided by a square minus b square. 3 square minus root 7 whole square. So next is a plus b whole square. So a square 9 plus 2a 2 3 is 6 root 7. 6 root 7 plus b square. So it is 7 divided by 3 3 is 9. Root 7 का whole square 7. 9 plus 7 16 plus 6 root 7. 9 minus 7 is 2. Take 2 common. ऊपर से कितना कॉमन आ रहा है? 2 कॉमन आ रहा है. So what you will get? 8 plus 3 root 7 divided by 2. 2 cancel. So what do you get? 8 plus 3 root 7. So 8 plus 3 root 7 is equal to your RHS. What is your RHS? A plus b root 7. So what is A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 3. इट इज वेरी सिंपल. सो इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में बहुत आते हैं. सो नाउ वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. So this is our third question, question number 3. So take your LHS again and rationalize it. Rationalize करेंगे. So इसका conjugate 7 minus 4 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay. So when you multiply this, so it will be 5 plus 2 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3. A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. So 7 square minus 4 root 3 whole square. Okay. So now multiply your numerator. So 5 sevens are 35. 5 fours are 20 minus 20 root 3. 2 sevens are 14 root 3. 4 twos are 8. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 8 threes are 24 minus 24 by 49. 4 4s are 16. Root 3 का square 3. 16 3s are 48 minus 48. 49 minus 48 is 1. Okay. So what you will get? 35 minus 24 is 11 minus 20 plus 14 minus 6 root 3 is equal to. So this is what 11 minus 6 root 3. 11 minus 6 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. So I can write it. इसको मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? minus 6 root 3. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 11. And what will be the value of b? B is equal to minus 6. Clear? So this is our practice questions on rationalization. Now we will do some practice question on laws of exponent. Okay. So this is our next extra question based on laws of exponent. So we will now start. So evaluate, simplify करना हमें. So 625 raised to the power minus 1 by 4. If you factorize 625, so 625 25 का स्क्वायर होता है and 25 किसका स्क्वायर होता है 5 का. So it will be 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4. So first I am writing 5 to the power 4 raised to the power minus 1 by 4. So 5 4 into minus 1 by 4. 4 4 cancel. 5 is raised to the power minus 1. तो इसको चेंज करना पड़ेगा. So it will be पॉजिटिव में चेंज करना 1/5. Okay, clear? Now 256 raised to the power 5 by 4. So it when we find out the prime factors of 81 के prime factors हम निकालेंगे. So it will be 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 इसमें तो आ जाएगा. बट अगर मैं यहाँ पे निकालने के लिए जाऊंगा, so see 256 16 का स्क्वायर होता है. 16 का स्क्वायर. ओके. सो इट विल बी व्हाट? 2 is raised 2 to the power 16 square. It will be what? 2 to the power 4 square and 2 to the power 8. So if I write 2 की पावर में अगर लिखूंगा तो ये 2 to the power 8 हो जाएगा. So here it will be 2 to the power 8 and here it will be 3 to the power 4. तो मेरे को होल पावर में चेंज करने में दिक्कत होगी. So what I can write? See 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4. 4 to the power 4 will give you what? 256. Clear? So इधर मैंने क्या किया? 4 by 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 5 by 4. So 4 by 3 4 into 5 by 4. 4 4 cancel. 4 by 3 raised to the power 5. Okay. So multiply it. You will get 1024 divided by 243. Clear? So now come to question number 3. Question number 3 is 343 is 7 cube. And see, this is 243. It is 243. Okay. So 243 is 3 to the power 5. अभी हमने किया 3 to the power 5 is 243 and 32 is 2 to the power 5. Okay. So first you change this negative power into positive. पहले इस negative power को positive में change कर लेते हैं. 32 by 243 उल्टा कर दिया मैंने. It will become 4 by 5. क्यों? Because we have studied in laws of exponent x to the power x by y raised to the power minus m. I can write y by x raised to the power m. Okay, so now solve with 2 to the power 5 and this is 3 to the power 5. So 2 by 3 is raised to the power 5 into 4 by 5. So 5 cancel. 2 by 3 raised to the power 4. So it will be 2 to the power 4 and it will be 3 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 3 to the power 4 is 81. So this is our next question. So 32 is raised to the power, this can be written as minus 3 by 5. So when you write this, 32 can be written as 2 is raised to the power 5. So minus 3 by 5, 5 cancel. 2 is raised to the power minus 3. So it is 1 by 2 to the power 3. Positive power में change करना, it will be equal to 1 by 8. Clear? Now this is last question. So first change this into positive power. So it will be 125 by 64. It will be 2 by 3. This is 5 cube. This is 4 cube. Okay. So 5 by, try to change इसकी पावर डिनोमिनेटर में जो पावर है उसकी पावर में चेंज करने से इट विल बी बेटर फॉर यू. ओके, सो 5 by 4 is raised to the power 3. So it will be 5 by 4 square, 25 by 16. Okay, so these questions जो मैंने रेशनलाइजेशन और लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट के ऊपर बताए, these are very important questions as related to your examination. Okay, so you practice these questions. Okay, I am giving you some practice questions, you practice them. This is your practice sheet number 1. You can practice these questions related to rationalization. Okay, note it down and you can do these questions. Okay, this is your practice sheet number 2. Okay, you can do these questions in your notebook.